friends, welcome to Bull Stocks. My name is Mohit. I usually make the analysis video for the coming weeks for my premium members only, but today I have decided to make this video just for all. The analysis in the video is completely based on the price action. There is not any leading or lagging indicator is being used. So let's move to the system.
So the analysis which we are going to do would be completely based on the price action. There is not any leading or lagging indicator would be used for this. So if I go to the calendar, this analysis which we are going to do would be applicable from 25th. Okay. Sorry, not from 25th, from 24th, from Tuesday, sorry, from Monday. And it would be applicable for the coming weeks. So let us start with the Nifty first. It's a day time frame. Okay, it's a 1 day time frame. So every candle you are seeing in this chart is for 1 day only. So you can see, anybody can see the rally. Anybody can see the rally from here to here. Okay, this is a very big rally. It actually starts from 30th October 2020 and it actually ends on 16th Feb 2021. So it was around 4 months rally. It was a continuous rally for Nifty. So whenever we actually need to understand that whenever there is a price moves, it actually come back for some time, then it actually moves like this, then it come back for some time, then it actually move like this. So it is a zigzag mode always whenever the price moves. This is not possible that the price is moving in a continuous direction like this. Okay, this is not possible in the market. So if you see this, the price moves here, it come back, it actually moves, it come back, it moves, it come back, then it moves. So but the overall trend, despite of these kind of retracement, the overall trend of Nifty was bullish. Okay, so if we go to make a pattern in this, so you can see this is the bullish pattern, right? And now if you will try to make a trend line here, so the trend line would be like this only. Okay, so it actually is in the consolidation mood. After this big rally, it is now actually in the consolidation mood. So now it is going to give the breakout, or we can say it has already given the breakout, but we need the confirmation. We need the confirmation on Monday. So till now, we don't have the confirmation that it has given the breakout. If you will see, let me zoom the chart. If you will see, it has already closed. It has already closed above the trend line. Okay, but the confirmation would be when the market starts here on Monday and it actually moves upside and it actually takes down the high of the previous candle. So if on Monday the high of Friday would be taken out, we can go for the long trade. Okay, it would be the bullish signal. So this is for the Nifty. Now let us move to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is actually the weak in compared to the Nifty. You can see it also has the rally. It also has the rally, but it actually retraces more than Nifty, right? So if we make some trend here, if we draw a trend line, okay, so you will see that Bank Nifty actually broke the trend line multiple times. Okay, but the thing is, the good part is now it is moving with Nifty again. Okay, so if Nifty is going up, so the bank Nifty is also going up right now. So you can see a big rally. You can see the big rally, a giant bullish candle, the Marubozu candle here. Okay, so again the analysis would be the same for this also. Let me draw. This is the high of the previous candle. Whenever this high would be taken out, okay, if the market open here, here, anywhere, okay, if this high would be taken out, and there is one close in the 15-minute candle, okay, 15-minute chart, there is one close above this high, you can go long in bank Nifty till the time this is the no trading zone. Okay, don't trade in this zone. If the indices, if the price is uh, is below the previous day candle high, okay, this is a no trading zone. Only trade in Nifty and bank Nifty if the previous high is taken out. Okay, I hope it is clear to all. So let us move to the stocks now. The Titan. Okay. Can you see the pattern in Titan? Can you see the pattern? Actually, it actually comes with the experience. I can definitely see the pattern here. Let me show you that pattern. Okay. So okay. So the rally starts from here. Okay. Rally actually starts from here only. Okay. And the end point of that rally was here. So if I draw this, this is kind of a pole. This is kind of a pole. Okay. And if I draw this, it is the consolidation and it is kind of a flag. Okay. This is the flag. So this is called, this is what we called in the technical analysis, the pole and flag pattern. Okay. This is a pole. This is the flag. Okay. So whenever the price actually goes up and up, so at some point of time it actually needs some consolidation. So this is the consolidation part. There it is being consolidated for some time. Okay. So now if you see, when we are going to take the trade in Titan, okay. So if we actually draw the trend line here, it did not broke the trend line now. Okay. It did not broke. So once it actually broke this trend line, oh sorry, once it actually broke this trend line and closed a 15-minute candle here. Okay. After this trend line, you can make this trend line, you can draw this trend line on your system, and if it broke this trend line and close a 15-minute candle here, you can go long. Okay. Or if it reverses, you can see the bearish sign here. Okay. It already reverses. If it reverses and it taken out the low of this candle, the previous candle, okay, the red candle, it actually opened. Let me zoom this. Yeah, now it's better. So if it reverses, okay, you can see it opened here. Okay, the market opened here, the Titan opened here on Friday. It actually goes down and it actually closed here. Okay, so the low is here only. So if it open again here, okay, or somewhere here, and it actually goes down and it actually closes below the previous candle low, you can go short. It would be a good shorting opportunity in Titan. Okay, I hope it's clear. So we have the pole and flag pattern in Titan. Now comes to the Bajaj Auto. Bajaj Auto, according to the price action, you can see according to the price action, the Bajaj Auto is clearly bullish. Let me draw that. You can see the moving average is moving up. Okay, and it is actually taking the support on moving averages. So now it is being consolidated for last 3 days, and it is going to taken out the consolidation high. Okay, so if the market opens here somewhere here, and it will open here, no doubt, and it will go up. Okay, in first hour of Monday, in first hour only, before 10:15, if it will go up, you can go long. Okay, this is the pure bullish pattern. This is a pure bullish pattern, price action pattern. Okay, in Bajaj Auto. Now it's the turn of HDFC. Okay, HDFC. Mhm. Can you see the pattern? Don't you see the pattern here? If I join this, and if I join this, don't you see this is a descending pattern? Descending triangle pattern. So now you can see it is making a range. Okay, it is making a triangle pattern here, and this is the resistance, the above one. This one is the resistance. Okay, so you can see the resistance has been tested out 3 times: 1, 2, and 3, and now you can see it is already in the resistance. Okay, so if it opens here, okay, it opens flat. It should be open flat. It should be open flat, not the gap down. Okay, if HDFC will open flat on Monday, and it will try to penetrate this resistance, and it will close again it will close the 15-minute candle above this resistance, you can go long. There would be a very big rally, trust me. Okay, so this is the analysis for the HDFC. Now let us move to the Shriram Transport Finance. Okay, so in Shriram Transport, okay, let me delete this. Okay, in Shriram Transport Finance, you can see if I will draw the resistance. Okay, yeah. If I will draw the resistance is this. Okay, this is the resistance. This is the resistance zone, and this is the no trading zone as well. Okay, this is no trading zone as well. So this is no trading zone. You don't have to trade in this zone, but once let us go to the 15-minute chart. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so you can see here it is consolidating in the closing side. So if in the first hour of the day, the 15-minute candle closes above here, okay, above this level, if the 15-minute candle closes above this level, you can go long. You can go long. There would not be any of the issues. Okay, you can go long, and your stop loss would be here only. below this no trading zone. So you will go long, you will make a buy trade here, and your stop loss would be here. Always, always remember to keep the stop loss with some distance. Okay, don't keep the stop loss here only. Just keep the stop loss with some distance. Okay, sometimes it happens that it actually retest the previous the previous support or something. Okay, and it actually comes down for the SL hunting also, stop loss hunting. So always keep the stop loss with some gap. So it is done for Shriram Transport Finance. Now we will go again in the daily chart. We have Piramal Enterprises now. Okay. Let me, just a second. No, we don't have anything much in this. No, this is not the good one to trade. Not on Monday. It could be the good trade on Tuesday, Wednesday, but it's not a good trade on Monday. Let us remove it. Go to the Havels. Again, can you see the false breakout? This is kind of a false breakout. Okay, see here. This was actually maintaining the range. Okay, on the daily chart, it actually gives the breakout. Okay, let me draw. This was the breakout candle. Okay, the next candle has give the confirmation by taken out the high of this candle, but after some time it reverses. It is going to reverse. So there is not any long or short trade in this. This is just for learning only, just for your learning only. So this was the resistance. This was a resistance when the price was below it. Okay, this was a resistance, but now it will work as a support. Okay, so there could be a chance that it will come down here and it will reverse back. Okay, it can reverse back, or there is the second thing is that it will penetrate this support and it will come down. If it will come down, then we can give a short trade here only, but not before that. Okay, but the thing is, right now the market is bullish. Go for long trade instead of the short trades, because many of the stocks actually runs according to the market. So the market is bullish, go for long trades, and just ignore the short trades. Or if you are interested to have the short trades also, then trade with the half quantity. Now we are going to analyze the Nestle chart. Okay. Nestle. Now I can see the pattern here. Let me draw the pattern here in the Nestle. Okay. The trend line starts from here. The support, this is the support trend line. Okay. See how beautifully, you can see how beautifully it respects this trend line. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times. 6 times it took the support from this trend line. Okay, and the resistance one, see, in the resistance one also, 1, 2, and 3. 3 times the resistance is also tested. Okay, so now you can see the triangle pattern here. Boing, boing, boing. Now there are two chances. There are two chances here. The one chance is there, it will break this resistance, okay, and it will go higher. Not like that. It will go higher like that. Okay, and the second chance is that it will actually reverses again from this trend line. It will actually reverses again from this trend line. It will make a bearish sign here. Okay, the bearish candle here, and it will again comes to retest this support. If it will come to retest this, we will see if it will break it. If it will break it, we will go short in the coming week. But if it will not, it will again make a bullish sign here. It will reverses from there. Okay, and it will again try to test the resistance. So these two are the chances. We don't know what is going to happen with Nestle, but yes, if the 15-minute chart, if the 15-minute candle, for example, let me show you. I'm going to the 15-minute candle. Okay. So you can see this is the trend line. This is the trend line, and it actually broke that. It actually broke that once in the 15-minute chart, but the next candle does not goes higher to the previous candle high. You can see this is the good example. Let me zoom. See, the high of this is, you can see high or low here. The high of this candle was 17550, and the high of this candle was also 17550. It actually reverses from here only. Okay, it actually reverses from here only. It didn't go higher. The previous day high, the previous candle high was not taken out, so it actually reverses from here. Now we need to wait. This happened. This is not the new thing in the market. This happened. Now we need to wait where market opens on Monday. Okay, if market opens flat here, market has to be open flat here if it has to go higher. Okay, if market will open here, okay, if some downside, if market will open with some down gap, it will not go higher. Okay, it will not go higher, because this will again work, this zone will again work as the resistance. Okay, so market has to open flat within this range. Okay, within this range market has to open. If market has to open here, then only the buyer can win the battle, otherwise it will come down. So this was the analysis for the Nestle. I hope you are getting the point. Now for the Naukri. So so Naukri is at the good level for getting short, but we don't have the confirmation yet. We don't have the confirmation yet, just because we have the 200 moving average just below to it, and it has it has actually tested it once. Okay, it go higher and it is coming again to test it. Okay, so again, according to the price action, there would be two chances. Okay, there would be two chances. The first one is that it will it has tested 200 EMA one, okay, first time. It goes higher, it comes here. If it will again go higher, then we will buy it here. Okay, it would be the W pattern. Okay, but there would be a chance it has tested it once, it goes higher, it has come down, and it will break it. Then we should short it here, somewhere here. Okay, not before that, because we don't know we don't know if it is going to make the W pattern or the bearish pattern. Okay, so for the Naukri, for the Info Edge, this is the analysis. Let's move to the Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv, okay, Bajaj Finserv is at its all-time high. Let us again it has the pole and flag pattern. Don't you see? Kind of pole, its flag, and it could give the breakout from here. So we must keep watch this. Okay, it may be possible that it is not going to give us the trade on Monday. It is not going to give us the trade on Tuesday, but it is in the consolidation. It is in the consolidation for last, it's 30th April. I mean, it's almost 1 month of consolidation. Okay, so we only going to take the trade once either this support is broke or this resistance is broke. So these are the two levels. So you can what you can do is in your system you can further draw down this rectangle. Okay, so this is what for you. This is what for you. This is the no trading zone. Okay, this is the no trading zone. Either short here or long here, and you know where when to short, when to long. The 15-minute candle should be close below to this or above to this. Okay, this is for Bajaj Finserv. Hero MotoCorp. Oh, Hero MotoCorp is actually struggling in the market. It is also consolidating. You can see the consolidation after a big down move. It is consolidating for almost 5th April. It's almost 17 trading days. Okay, for the 17 trading days, it is actually taking the support. Okay, and it is struggling. So again, like we decided for the Bajaj Finserv, we will take the trade only if it will break this or it will break this. But don't forget to watch the volume. Okay, just in case for Hero MotoCorp, because again I will say that the market is bullish right now. Okay, the market is bullish. So always trade with the half quantity if you are going to take the short trade. Okay, but if you are going to take the long trade, you can consider the full quantity of your trade. Okay, if you don't know about the quantities, you can see my another videos in which I have defined the quantities and all. So okay, this was for the Hero MotoCorp. Now we will go for the Asian Paint. You can see the consolidation in the Asian Paint. If you are the member of my Telegram group, Telegram channel, you will see that I had asked you to keep an eye on this, because Asian Paint is in a very good state. Let me show you. Let me show you in the 15-minute chart. Okay. See, in my Twitter handle also, in my Twitter also, in my Instagram also, in my Telegram also, I have posted about Asian Paints. It can give a very big move because of this movement. Let me draw. Because of this movement, okay, it is actually being consolidated for last 4 to 5 trading days. Okay, so the thing is, it is actually going to give the breakout, and if it will give the breakout, then only I would be interested. If it will give the breakdown, I would not be interested, because it is a bullish stock. Okay, it's a bullish stock. It's a bullish stock, and if it is going to give the break out from here, okay, with the good volumes, then only I would be able to I would be interested to take the trade, otherwise not. Okay, so let's go to the Mphasis. Okay, let's go to the day chart. Can you see the channel? Can you see the channel with Mphasis? This is not going to give any breakout on Monday or Tuesday, but yes, this is the thing, that when it will give the breakout, it will give the huge reward. Huge. Okay, when it will give the breakout from here or here, breakout or breakdown, the chances of breakout is good, because it is in the ascending mode right now. So if it will give the breakout, the it would be the huge reward. It can actually touch 2400, because when it will give the breakout, it will move just double to this one. Okay, if we will check about this this range, just a second. This range, okay, it's 11%, so we can go to this range. Yeah, it can also touch the 2400. Okay, if it will give the breakout. So just wait for that and keep eyes on it. Keep it in your watch list. It would be a good trade in the coming days. M&M, I have already given M&M on my Telegram channel for the positional trade. I have also taken that. I provide you the screenshot. I hope you are with me in this trade, just because the reason for taking the positional trade for the long side was that it actually broke the 20 it actually broke the 20 moving average with the high volume. Okay, let me show you the volume here. See, you can see the volume, and you can see the previous volumes. Okay, so the volume is coming high. The volume is getting high day by day. So I am bullish on this. I taken the trade at 747, 767 or 765 something. Now it is 818, and the target for this is at least 1000. The target for this is at least 1000. I'm expecting that. Okay, but 1000 is again the round level, so it can come reverse from the 1000. So you can take your profit if you want. You can take your profit at 980 or 975 something. Okay, I will also do the same. Fine. Let us move to the Axis Bank. Axis Bank is much bullish. You can see the Marubozu candle in the daily time frame. Marubozu candle in the daily time frame, and it is also taking the support of the 20 EMA. So I'm very bullish on that. And you can and you always already know that the market is already bullish, right? The Nifty and Bank Nifty both are already bullish. So I will go for the long trade. I will seek the opportunity for the long trade in Axis Bank. Now, how many remaining? Concor is remaining. So let us see the Concor. Can you see the pattern? Again, I will ask you, can you see the pattern? What is this? This is pull and flag pattern. Okay. So this is actually the no trading zone. Within this pull and flag pattern, this is a no trading zone. We need to watch the Concor, okay, for the breakout. Usually what happened in the pull and flag pattern, it happened like what range it maintains. Okay, what range it maintains, it actually moves high. It actually gives the breakout at the higher side. This is the consolidation part of the flow of pull and flag pattern. Okay, some kind of pull and flag pattern, and your target would be let me tell you the target. Your target would be the double of this. Okay, so if okay, let us calculate that. Let us calculate. This would be something your target. Okay, you can again take the 1,000. You can again take the 1,000. Not the 1,000. It would be a big rally. It will not actually go to the 1,000 in one go. It will go like that. Okay, price always move like that. Okay, so it will take time to go to the 1,000, but yes, soon it will go. Okay, so now I think the last is there. Coal India. Coal India is the it is the only stock I have for almost last 2 years. It has actually not given the reward to the investors, but yes, the dividend is very high in this, and I love to get the dividend from Coal India. Okay, if you put your money in RD or FD, right? So you get only 4 to 5% only, but Coal India give you the give you the dividend for around 10% a year. Okay, so if it is not going higher, I do not have any concern with that. Okay, but now it is showing the bullish sign on the daily chart. You can see the price action here. This was the good candle. This was the good candle, and you can see the volumes here also. So now, if we see now, it's being consolidated for some time. Okay, for last few days. Now I'm expecting it can give the higher move, and just a second, and once it actually taken the previous high. Okay, this one previous high. Once actually it taken the previous high, so and closes a candle here. Okay, you can go higher. You can go and take the long trade here. So I think this is sufficient for the coming week. I will try to make some videos like that. If you will like this video, if you will comment on this video, please show me your interest to to show me some of the interests of yours, so that I would get to know that you are liking my this kind of analysis video. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like the video. Please click on the bell icon, so that every time I will provide this kind of informative videos, it will comes to you directly. And you can join my Telegram channel. All channel links are given in the description of this video. You can go to the description in this video, and you can join my channels, and you can follow me on Twitter if you are willing to learn new things, new price action strategies in stock market. I'm also running the webinar on over the weekend, in which I actually teach how to trade intraday. Okay, I have some strategies related to some price actions. I have some strategies. I actually teach that. You can join my webinar. You can go to the description link below, and you can contact me over the WhatsApp. So this is all for today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.
I hope you like the video. Please comment in the comment section if you have any queries related to this, and please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon, so that in the future, if I will make any of these kind of informative videos, it will come to you directly. And also, if you are interested to join my webinar, my weekend webinar, you can go to the link in the description box, and join my Telegram channel there, and you can contact me over WhatsApp. Thank you so much.